We are in Buckle shopping for some clothes. So you guys are coming with me. Let's see what we can find. And something has already caught my eye. Yes, I am talking about this sweater right here. It is $36.95. But look at this. Look how cute that is. Yeah, I like that. I like that. See, this is a cute top too. Very cute. Let's see. Oh, look how the back is made. I like that. See if I can get a price on this one. I don't see a price on that one. Can't find a price on that one, you guys. But that's cute. Also, oh, look at the hat. $39.95. Look how cute that is. I like that. Cute, cute, cute. Now these are their jeans. Let's get a price on them for you, just to give you an idea of what they cost. Let's see. $72.95 for those. And I don't see that they are on sale. $69.95 for those. Now they do look like a nice quality jean, but I don't think I'll be buying any. $69.95. Yeah, I'm looking for the sales, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what they have anyway. Oh, look at this. This is nice and fancy. $74.95. That's cute. Sequins. Got your pockets there. Nice collar. This is pretty. I like that. Oh, you know what? I even like this shirt behind it. Look at this. This one's $39.95, which I think that's a pretty good price for this top. Look at that. Look at that neckline. That's gorgeous. Cute. Let's see. This is a cute little thing here. Look at that. And the cost of this one, and that's Willow Root, $34.95. Got your little adjustable straps there. How cute. Get that up close. And look at this one. That's nice as well. $39.95. You can also go to the buckle.com. Nice. Very sleek. Very fancy. I like that. Okay, look at this top here. Now, this one is $54.95. Very cute though. It's got a lot going on there. Look at the sleeve. Look how cute that is. And then let's look at the back. Oh, I like that. Yes. Cute. All right now, cowgirls. Look at here. $59.99. Oh, these are nice and thick too. And they have them in brown. Look at that. It's got the flare bottom. Cute. Okay guys, so I just spoke with one of the store associates and she wanted me to let you guys know, if you go to the Buckle app, buckle.com, either the website or you can download the app, you can actually see what's in that particular store from where you live, and you can actually set up your own stylist. So you pick out things that you see in that particular store, you go in, they'll have those clothes ready for you, you can try them on, They will help you as far as putting outfits together. They will be your personal styler. So how cool is that? Buckle.com, and you can download the Buckle app. Okay, I saw some backpacks that kind of caught my eye. You know I love my backpacks. So let's see. These are $59.50. Lots of little pockets there. Oh, I like that. Yes, and then it has the zippers up here. Take it down. Oh, cool. I like that. And they have this bag as well. It's a backpack. Let's see the price on that one. It is $69.95. It's got the zipper here, a zipper here, little handles on the side. See that? As well as the straps in the back. Alright. And look at this top here. Look how cute that is. See, they have a nice little accessory with it. And let's see if I can find the price. That is the price right there. Very cute, very cute. And I will show you the sleeve on that. Look at that. Have a lace sleeve there. Right at the wrist, the cuff. Nice lace right there. And it's very flowy. Cute. And let's take a cute look at these cute little tops here. Now these are $46.95. And this is how it's made. That's the front. You get a little bit of out at the chest part there. You got different tones of brown. Very cute. And then this one, look at that. Got some little chain detail going on right there. This is the price. It's got like a little stone wash to it. And long sleeves. Very cute. Very cute. Okay guys, so hopefully you saw something you like. Remember that you can have your own personal stylist in this store. So go on the buckle.com website. Oh my goodness, look at that top. Or download the app and get your personal stylist going. All right guys, have a blessed day. Till next time. See ya. Okay, so what we'll do is we can